everyone. My name is Nandini. Today my seminar topic is object-oriented testing methods. Here the contents: introduction, key components, advantages, disadvantages, feature scope, conclusion and references. Introduction: object-oriented testing methods ensures the reliability of software developing using OOP by addressing encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. Challenges through strategies like unit testing, integration testing, inheritance testing, polymorphism testing and behavior testing. Here reliability refers to the if someone or something to work well consistently without unexpected problems or failures. Here encapsulation refers to the keeping things hidden and allowing you to see inner conditions without worrying about the inner workings. And inheritance means it inherits the properties from parents class to the child class. Polymorphism means in having a many functions like for example in our remote we are having a many function to do several operations. Here the key components. Unit testing. Unit testing means it is a crucial aspect of the software engineering. It is an integration testing. It examines the interaction between classes and validating seamless collaboration of the objects. Inheritance testing specifically targets challenges introduced by the inheritance, validating proper subclasses behavior. Behavioral testing it emphasizes the overall system and behavior with the specified requirements and interactions. Here are the advantages in validation of encapsulation, verification of inheritance. It advantages of early issue selection and the disadvantages is can make the code harder to understand. It can consume more memory and CPU resources. Feature scope. As OOP languages like C and Python continue to be widely used for software development, the need to be effective testing method for object-oriented system will persist. And with the increase in the importance of cybersecurity, the feature of object-oriented testing may involve the stronger focus on the security testing. Here the conclusion: object-oriented testing methods are essential for ensuring the reliability and robustness of the software systems. And TDD here refers to the test-driven development. Scenario testing means we are having, Madam said that we are having exams and students, no? Example of scenario based testing. That's it. Thank you.